Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to turn on off auto correction on your iPad and iPhone. Sometimes you are typing geographical name or person name and your iPhone or iPad automatically auto correction of the particular spelling, and sometimes you are facing a lot of irritation. So how to stop auto correction in your iPhone? Very simple tips and tricks. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile screen now. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open setting application. Inside the setting, general, inside the general, keyboard, and inside the keyboard, look at this here. Second number options are available. Auto correction like a blue, you convert as a blue to white, and that's it. It's very simple. Now auto correction are stopped. If you are using auto correction now, so you can type any of language, no keyboard are changing and no auto correction is going on here. It's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.